Welcome, and thank you for joining the Watercolor Summit Fall Play. We're happy that you're here to celebrate the colors and flavors of fall with 5 amazing artists who's going to bring their own artistic spin on fall. I'm Divinity, where I'll be kicking off day 1 of the summit, and I'll be doing it with apple cinnamon cupcake. Now, apple cinnamon, classic favorites of fall, the warm flavors and scents of cinnamon, who can't go wrong, and then perfect pairing with apple. Day 2 will be Susan, who will be doing these really cute mushrooms. I know mushrooms in my area are pretty trendy right now, especially if you go forest bathing, walking in nature. You'll see these mushrooms are coming out. I think they're just cute, cute, cute. Day 3 is Joanne, who's going to be doing pumpkins, a classic Halloween fall thing that everyone is a must-have. If you're not carving a pumpkin, you're eating some kind of pumpkin, pumpkin spice lattes, or carving pumpkins, or pumpkin pies, pumpkin cookies. All good pumpkins, right? All good. Day 4 will be Chris, who's going to be doing a really cute, happy scarecrow, which actually reminds me of the upcoming movie Wicked, which is going to be really, really exciting. So if you're an Oz person, yes, I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. Day 5 will be Kellie, who's going to be doing a fall scenery. If you're lucky like me, I get to experience all the 4 seasons. So I get to see the seasons, what the seasons change from one to another. And as summer is gone and now we are into fall, we get to see the leaves changing from green to yellow to orange to red. Now, of course, if you're not able to, depending on where you live, you'll be able to experience the magic of it through Kellie's art. So who am I? I am a working artist from a place called, I don't know if you've heard of it, Canada, maybe? When I'm not working on my spiritual art, I'm teaching paint parties, paint your pets for fundraisers, private events, and public schedule events. And of course, watercolor, where students get to experience the flow and magic of the media. But of course, above all, my intention is to provide space for people to tap into creativity, but most importantly, empowerment. And what do I mean by empowerment is taking the tools, taking what we're going to be giving you during the summit, taking the skills, the techniques, learning them, and then be able to apply them and make them your own. So then you can create something wonderful and amazing through you, which I think will be exciting. And if you want to see what I'm doing, be sure to follow me on Divinity Art on Instagram. So we can't wait to see what you'll be doing with your art. Summit starts on Monday, October 13th, and then on Saturday, October 18th, we get to do a live Q&A. We're here to support you. So if you have any questions, concerns, feedback, or you need help with your project, this is a great time to ask for it live in person. But of course, you can always post in the comments on the day of the event, and we'll definitely help you there. But otherwise, we'll see you in school.